There's one free AI tool that people are quietly using to earn over $500 a day, and most of them aren't even talking about it publicly. I found out about it by accident, tested it myself for 2 weeks, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what it actually takes, and why most people who try it still fail. Let me be upfront. This isn't a magic button. The tool is free, but the money doesn't come from just opening it. It comes from how you use it. I've seen people post screenshots of huge earnings without ever showing the actual process, so today I'm breaking down the real mechanics, not just the hype. The tool itself is an AI content generation platform. It can write, design, or produce content depending on which mode you use. It's free at the base tier, which is the whole appeal, no upfront cost to start. What separates people making real money from people getting nothing is what they build on top of it. The tool alone doesn't pay you. It's a production engine. The money comes from what you do with the output, selling it, using it to build an audience, or turning it into a product or service. Here's the part most videos skip. The people earning consistently are doing one of 3 things. First, they're using the tool to mass-produce content, then monetizing that content through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links once they build an audience. Second, they're using it to deliver services to clients. Instead of manually doing design work, writing, or video editing for clients, they use the AI tool to do it in a fraction of the time, take on more clients, and charge the same rates. Third, some are building small digital products, templates, guides, or tools, using AI to speed up production, then selling those products repeatedly without doing the same work twice. None of these are passive. They all require distribution, meaning you need an audience, clients, or a marketplace to sell into. The tool speeds up production. It doesn't replace the need for an audience or a customer base. The reason most people try this and make $0 is they stop at step 1. They open the tool, generate something, and expect money to appear. That's not how it works. The people actually earning treat this like a real skill to build. They test different outputs, refine their process, and focus on distribution just as much as production. If you generate 10 pieces of content and post them nowhere, nothing happens. The tool creates supply. You still need demand. If you want to try this yourself, start narrow. Pick one output type, content, a service, or a product, and one platform to distribute it on. Don't try to do all 3 earning methods at once. Spend the first week just testing the tool's output quality for your chosen use case. Then spend the second week focused entirely on getting that output in front of people, whether that's posting content, pitching clients, or listing a product. Track what actually gets a response. Most people quit before they collect enough data to know if the method works for them specifically. I want to be clear about something. The $500 a day figure isn't a guaranteed outcome, and it isn't immediate. It represents what's possible once someone has built an audience or client base and refined their process. Early on, most people are earning far less, or nothing, while they figure out what works. If a video promises instant results with 0 effort, that's not realistic. This is a tool that removes production time, not a tool that removes the need for strategy, consistency, or distribution. So that's the real breakdown, what the tool does, how people are actually monetizing it, and why most people who try it get nothing. If you're serious about testing this yourself, start with one output type and one platform, and give it real weeks, not days. If you want me to name the exact tool and walk through step by step how I tested it, comment, tool, below and I'll make a full follow-up video.